understanding what the beneficials can and can't do. Beneficials are organisms, such as ladybirds, lacewings and bacteria, that feed on or parasitise the pests of crops. Biological control is really a numbers game. We now have several decades of research to indicate things like how many eggs a parasitoid wasp lays or how much a predator can eat at various environmental conditions, such as temperature and humidity. This information would tell you how many beneficials to introduce and how often. How you apply the beneficials. You can use simple hand application to the beneficials to put them in the right place, but certain release points within the crop. Other applications methods are the Amblyopsis sachets. These can come as strips which the grower cuts or tears and hangs directly onto the plant for the mites to come out. Loose carrier material for loose distribution. They can also come in large units, either bags or tubs, and again for direct distribution onto the plants. Rotating the bottles and tubes for distribution within the bottle is essential. The idea is to stand the bottle upright for at least 20 minutes, and then when you open the bottle, take the lid and then rotate and shake directly onto the plants. Flying parasitoids and release boxes. You don't have to put the flying parasitoids on the crop, they will fly to it. Machine application, so bug blowers. This is a mechanical blower which runs off the gantry system above the crop. It's a much more powerful fan-driven machine. It's lightweight, it can be lifted off of one bay and put onto the gantry of another bay. It's a very easy way of putting out predators over a large area. For all these methods, make sure that you're treating away from direct sunlight and overhead watering. Many predator mites and insects can only walk. They must be in the right place directly on the plants and ideally as close to the host as possible. Many beneficials find their prey by scent and as adults that lay their eggs close to or amongst pests, so their next generation is in the right place when they hatch. Some beneficials that do this are Aphidoletes, an aphid predator, hoverflies and ladybirds. You might be asking if there's an alternative to using what I have described. A selective spray applied to reduce pest levels before introducing beneficials could be another option. But if you monitor pest numbers and crop damage is combined with rates of oviposition or egg laying and predation, in other words, beneficials attacking their prey, will tell you if biological control is actually the best option for your crop.